gas tank and dents on this cover here.
That's why he paid a lot.
I even got the back restoration of the seat, and I took it off for that trip. I was that seat.
Very, very big. And that's what the CSO guy was saying. He's like, that is the biggest tree on this whole neighborhood. That is the biggest tree. Yeah, it is. It's one of those ones that's just a little hill.
Yeah, it hasn't changed. It's still expensive here. Yeah.
But you know, AK wanted to come out with you, and I was like, hell yeah, dude.
Saturday I could. I got beverages. Sunday I picked up what was left over from Saturday. You know, make sure everybody's working.
Hey, if I could get everybody to come over here for a minute before any rain hits, that way I can still get a gathering. Or you guys all run and hide inside your vehicles. It'll be light over here.